Yeah, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can monetize your Facebook account if you are living in Ghana or if you are living in Nigeria, because Facebook just updated that you can now monetize your Facebook account if you are living in Ghana or if you are living in Nigeria, and they have added other countries, but I'm focusing on those living in Ghana and those living in Nigeria. So I'm going to be showing you the steps that you can use to monetize your Facebook account. So it is actually easy to do that, but make sure when you are opening Facebook, if you want to turn on this monetization feature, when you are opening Facebook, don't use Facebook Lite, use the main Facebook. You need to use the main Facebook. After you use the main Facebook and you open Facebook, you click on your profile. You click on your profile here, you click here. So when you click on your profile, it is going to open. So it is going to open like this, and you can see this is my profile. This is my Facebook profile, and you can see this. When you scroll like this, you're going to see all the titles that like you have posted, all the things that you have posted, but we are not interested in that. We are interested in the things that we can be able to turn on. We need to turn on some things so that we can be able to monetize our Facebook account. So after you click on your Facebook profile, you click on this particular three dot. You click on this particular three dot. If you have not turned that particular thing, you're not going to see dashboard. You're not going to see, but I'll show you where you turn so that you can be able to get this dashboard. So you click on this three dot. So when you click on this three dot, you scroll down to where we are having this particular place. Turn on your own will be turn on professional mode, this particular place, but my own is they are saying turn off professional mode. So if you click on turn on professional mode, you can see that turn off professional mode, review important changes before you turn off professional mode. If you change your mind, you can turn on professional mode anytime. So for me, I'm not going to turn off professional mode because I've already turned on. But for your own, if you haven't turned it on, they are going to be telling you to turn it on. So you need to turn on this particular thing, this professional mode. You need to turn it on, and after you turn it on, you now see this particular dashboard. After you turn it on, you're now going to see this particular dashboard. Let's go back. You're going to see this particular dashboard. Sorry, I've refreshed the page. You're going to see this particular dashboard here, where we are having see details. You're going to see all that, and they are going to show you the things that you have posted, the engagement that you have get. You can see I've reached 1,384 in the last 28 days, and I've gotten 3 seconds view, 5 people view it. Engagement, I've gotten 5 because I've been off Facebook for some time, so that's why I'm not getting more engagement on my account, because I've been off for some time. And when you move down, you're going to see all the things that you have posted within 29 days, 30 days, and 1st July. All this you are going to see, but we are not interested in that. You move down to where we have a monetization. This is where after you turn it on, you turn the professional dashboard on, mode on, you're going to see if you are eligible to start making money on Facebook. So you click on monetization. So after you click on monetization, you're going to see all the things that you need to follow so that you'll be able to make money on Facebook. And you can see as you grow your audience, you will unlock more ways to make money. Ads on Reels. So when you post a short video, you're going to make money off of it. Make money by including ads in your Reels. So that one is by invite only. The Facebook is going to invite you that you can now make money on your Reels. That one is invite only. Bonuses. Amplify your errands has a creator with bonuses. So that one is also invite only. But this one in-stream ad. So like say you are playing a video. And you see ad running. So like that, when you are also creating content on Facebook, you reach the criteria that they are looking for, you are going to be paid by Facebook. And these are some of the criteria that you need to meet. And you can see I've met 2 of it, and eligible criteria I've met 2, and the content criteria I haven't met any of it yet. But under eligible criteria. You need to reside in an eligible country, and living in Ghana, you can see they say eligible and they mark it with green. That means I'm eligible to make money on this particular account. And we also have this particular place where you follow Facebook content monetization policy. So that one I have, like, because I've not reached the threshold, that's why they are giving me this particular content monetization policy. They mark it with ash, and you can see this particular place. You need to reach your profile have at least your profile have at least so sorry for the distractions. So your profile need to have at least 5,000 followers. Your profile need to have at least 5,000 followers, and you can see I've gotten 5,412 followers on my account. That one they've also marked it green. And when you see under content criteria, we have your eligible videos include on-demand lives, and previously live have been viewed at least 60,000 minutes in the last 60 days. So within last 60 days, your profile, your videos should be able to view your views 60,000 times. Yeah, so that you'll be able to qualify and the content. And the next one is you have shared at least 5 eligible videos in the last 30 days that were either on demand, live, or previously live. So something like this, they are telling you that you should be able to post at least 5 videos within 30 days on your account, and that video should be like, it should belong to you. You shouldn't use copyright music and other things, so that it can prevent you from monetization. So these are the things that you need to know about Facebook monetization when you are living in Ghana, and you need to meet all these criteria before you start making money on Facebook. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video helped you, I'll urge you to follow me to stay updated anytime that I want to share a video like this. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.